Right. I'm super excited to share our new section in writing that we're going to be working on, and it's something called constructed response. Now, constructed response is used to respond to something like a text, even a song or a movie when you have a question about it. We will use the acronym of MAM, and I'll go over what each one of those things would stand for. So, if we're looking at MAM, we have MAAM. First M stands for me. You're going to restate the question and give your opinion. So we're almost going to be creating this me sandwich. At the beginning, you're going to state the question and you're going to give your opinion. And I'll show you some examples as well. The next part is you're going to look at the author. So you're going to support your opinion with one specific detail from the text. Now, if this is a movie or a song, you will also pull in information from a movie or a song. Right? You will do that two different times. Here are some great options of ways to start your sentence. Something like in the text, or the text states, according to the passage. One example from the text, or the author states. Those are great ways to give information. These are also great places to give specific things from the text. These are quotes oftentimes, and you will do that two different times. The final section for your yes, ma'am, again, is me, because remember, we're looking at that me sandwich and we're putting it all together. So you're going to explain the significance of your proof. Why did you choose these two things right here for the author? Why did you choose those to prove what you're writing? Like what? So what? What does this prove? What's your point? We are putting we're putting your ideas and evidence from the text and the author's ideas to support your response. So again, the me at the end is like the icing on the cake. It's like wrapping it all together, explaining the significance of what's really happening there, how the quotes relate to your opinion. So let's look at an example right here from the text of excuse me, of the fisherman and the kaha bird. So the kaha bird, the question is, okay, so the question is, how can the kaha bird help the fisherman? So this is where we're going to start with the me. You're going to answer the question. The kaha bird can help the fisherman by catching a fish for him. Now we're going to come into some evidence. Here's one of those great beginning ones. The text states that the kaha bird helps the poor or the sick. Another piece of evidence. And here's another great beginning. In the text it says, I wish to help. The kaha bird wanted to help the fisherman. And finally, let's put it all together and explain how our evidence proves our answer. This shows how the kaha bird helped the fisherman. Okay. You are going to practice with this particular selection right here. You are going to practice answering the question, is the selection The Fisherman and the Kaha Bird a folk tale? So that's where you will start your me, something with like, the fisherman and the kaha bird is or is not a folk tale. Give evidence of why you believe that, and then bring it all together again at the end and show how your evidence proves that.